Seems the City of Banyule has taken the initiative of having cleaners clean external fixtures up and down the main street of Upper Heidelberg Road in Ivanhoe. There's just a problem. They're only using one cloth, and that actually can make things much worse than actually better. Let me show you. Let's say we have a contaminant on a flush button on a toilet like here, and the taps in the washroom are free from the contaminant, and so is the soap dispenser. However, see what happens when the cleaner starts wiping the contaminant with just one cloth. He cleans the flush button and the contaminant is now on the cloth. He now moves across to the tap, wipes the tap, and as you can see, he's now spreading the contaminant from the flush button to the tap and now to the soap dispenser. And that's the real problem when you only use one cloth and you don't change it regularly. Everything becomes infected with the contaminant.
So as you can see, you can't use the one cloth or the one microfiber to clean different touch points. If you're going to do touch point cleaning properly, you need to use separate cloths, or you need to take one microfiber and divide it into 8 areas, a different area for each touch point. So let me demonstrate. So we take our disinfectant, our hospital grade disinfectant spray, we put that onto the microfiber cloth, and we do the first area, which in this case might be the microwave buttons. We then need to move across to our second touch point, which in this case is a kettle, and then to the third touch point, which in this case is the coffee machine. By doing that, we're ensuring we're not spreading the contamination from object to object, touch point to touch point. Now, there's only 8 surfaces if you divide your microfiber up like that. After 8 touch points, you would need to dispose of this and get another microfiber and do exactly the same thing. That's laborious, and it's probably also very expensive to do. There is a better way than using microfibers or chunks or any other material with a disinfectant spray, and that's to use wipes that are already prepared. So these little wipes have a hospital grade disinfectant already into the tissue, and what you would do is you would clean the first touch point with the microwave, you then dispose of that, you then take the next one and you would clean the next touch point. Okay, and then you keep going, you take the next one and you would clean the coffee machine. So that's a much better way, and it's far more cost effective to clean your touch points that way. It also prevents the cross-contamination that we saw earlier in the video.